Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn profile to match job descriptions closely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing the job descriptions for the positions you are interested in. Identify the key skills, qualifications, and experiences highlighted in those descriptions. Make a list of these important terms and phrases. Next, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your photo in the top right corner. Begin by updating your headline to reflect the job titles you are targeting. In the summary section, write a compelling narrative that incorporates the key terms from your list. Highlight your relevant experiences and accomplishments that align with the job descriptions. Next, review your current work experience entries. Modify the bullet points to match the terminology used in the job descriptions. Ensure that each role clearly demonstrates how your past work relates to the positions you're seeking. Update your skills section by adding the specific skills mentioned in the job postings. Remove any skills that are less relevant to the positions. Next, ask for endorsements for the new skills you've added. Reach out to colleagues or connections who can provide insights into your work ethic. Consider updating your profile picture if necessary. Choose a professional photo that aligns with your personal brand. Afterward, include multimedia elements such as presentations or articles if applicable. These can showcase your expertise and enhance your profile's visual appeal. Finally, review your entire profile for spelling or grammatical errors. Ensure everything flows well and reflects a professional tone. Once finished, make your profile public to increase visibility to potential employers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.